In this video, we're going to discuss mapping sets. Mapping sets are used to replace a given value with another, and these can be applied on any of the mapping templates on any of the operations inside of Flxpoint. They're used to translate incoming data to a desired end value. To find your mapping sets, or create a new mapping set, you'll want to go to Settings, Mapping, and then click on Sets. You can create a new mapping set by clicking this button here and naming it accordingly. And once inside one of your mapping sets, essentially what you're going to want to do is using the convert from value to the to value, you can add rules individually. So for instance, a common use case we might see is changing categories from a supplier feed to match a certain category structure that a channel like GunBroker might need. For example, if you have categories such as holsters, and to match what you need to your category to be on the GunBroker channel, you need that code to be 1234, just for example's purposes. You can save said rule, and then you can apply the mapping set on an appropriate mapping template on the correct field. You're also able to do bulk uploads to add your convert from and to values. If you click the upload button, you'll need a CSV file with one header column being from value and the other header column being to value. Essentially, the headers can be anything you want them to be. This could be, old category, and this one subsequently say new category. Doesn't matter, just want to make sure that the file you upload has the appropriate headers. Once you add your file, you'll just want to click Run Mapping Set Upload, and then it will add all of your rules based on the file upload, and you can review them here. Mapping sets can be used on any of the data points within Flxpoint. Another example we could use is maybe converting a brand. Sometimes we see brands come in, for example, abbreviated or with extra characters that we might not want, like an INC at the end. If we notice this coming in on our inventory feed, and forever and always moving forward, we want these brands to be cleaned up a little bit, this will accomplish that goal. The last step of utilizing mapping sets is determining what mapping template on what operation inside of Flxpoint you need to apply the mapping set to. For the GunBroker example, we would want to navigate to our settings, mapping, and then templates. And for this example, if we're building channel listings for GunBroker and we need that specific category to coincide with the number that they're expecting to receive, we could throw our mapping set on our listing builder for that particular channel. And so we would navigate to category 1 here. We would then choose mapping set. The input value from is still going to be looking for that particular category 1 that's already on the product. We'll then choose our category conversion mapping set for GunBroker. And essentially, if the category 1, based on our examples, was holster, it would be changed to that 1234 number that we applied as a rule once we run this listing builder. That's going to be it for this video on mapping sets. Please reach out to our support team if you have any other questions, and we'll be happy to assist you.